Hello my lovelies. Hello my angels. I'm LashGo. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Today, as you know from the intro, we're going to do some unboxing. So I've got 3 parcels. So yeah, 3 parcels to unbox. I've already split them open. I get this one. Look how many stamps there are. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 stamps. Excuse me. So I've got this one, and then this one. So I think they're Hot Wheels, I don't know, but let's get stuck into it. I'm excited. Yeah, let's do this, guys. Already broken the seals. Put all the rubbish back in. Get rid of that. Alright, we'll have a closer look at that one in a minute. And let's do the next one. It's hard doing it on your bed. Put all the rubbish back in. Those big boxes for 1 car each. Okay, now let's do this one. I love this stuff. But I can't pop it. No, I can't pop it today. But I can pop these ones. Oh yeah, that feels good. Yeah. Don't tell me, this big box just for 1 little car. Yeah, it was just for 1 little car. Alright, there's the 3 done. Alright, now let's just unbox the last 3. Okay, we have got the sought after one that the collectors like. Excuse me, I'm getting a cough. The 16 Ford Focus RS. The reason why it's sorted after because of the colour. Good tampos. Nothing at the back. But to me, it's just a toy. You could spray paint it. Get the white one and spray paint it blue. So there's that one. Then got the Halo one. The UNSC Warthog in green. Got the black one also. Little gun on the top. Sorry about the glare. Is that one? Cool car art. Got a gun there. A gun there. Sorry about that. Then we got the Kira 17 Kira NSX. I've pronounced it wrong, I'm sorry. Cool tampos. Oh, finally, tampos on the back. And there's that one. Right guys, well there you have it. Unboxing 3 cars. Kira, the Kira UNSC, and the Ford. Alright guys, I hope you all liked it. This is my t-shirt. Trust and doubt. That's what you got to do. Sorry if the camera's a little bit bouncy, but I am on my bed. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing of the 3 cars. And just remember guys, stay happy, okay? Because life isn't worth being sad over losing your job, losing your car, losing a girlfriend or a boyfriend, losing a loved one. I know it's all hard and you want to cry. Cry, because it does make you feel better. But talking it out, not bottling it up inside, it helps. And keep that flame lit as well in your belly. Keep it firing. Keep your soul on fire. Because it makes you more attractive. And more people like happy people. Alright guys. You're all my angels. And I hope you all are having a lovely Easter. Thanks for watching. And remember, subscribe if you're new. Hit the bell button to know that I've done a new video. Come on guys, help me get to 100. I'm 82 I think subscribers. Help me get to 100. Come on. I know you guys love me. Come on. Subscribe if you're new, please. And thank you for viewing my videos. I love you all. You're all important to me. You guys are my family. And hit the bell button. Comment. I want to see hundreds of comments per video. Please, it's so important to me. 20 comments or more. Please. There's 82 people. I only get maybe 3 comments a video. So please comment. And yeah, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, and yeah, and like, okay? Like, hit the button, like, with the thumbs up. You know all my videos are all different, so I try and get to everyone. Alright guys, this is LashGo. Love yous all. Stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Bye. Bye, angels.